Ah, what a beautiful day at the forest. Well, it's not actually a forest, but yeah, what a beautiful day. Oh, shit. Trees. Guess I'm going to go. Oh God, that freaking scared me. Look, people. That freaking scared me. That wasn't it. But yeah, that's the God. Alright. What a beautiful day, though. Oh, God. What the hell? Alright, what a beautiful day. Alright, this is definitely a beautiful day, but yeah. I hope a tornado doesn't come. Yeah. If you see the title, then you might know that there's a tornado, so yeah. What the hell? This needs some blowing. Alright. A building. Can't show you the house inside. So, let's block the camera. Oh, yeah, I got this. Oh, God. Sorry about this, but you guys can't see inside. Now you can. Up there. Damn. There. Let's go. Let's go.
What are you doing?
Filming. Beautiful day.
Where is it gonna start raining?
Oh, it's gonna rain? Oh God, it's raining! Oh my God, why is it raining? Oh my God, there's a lot of rain. There's a lot of rain. Oh my God, there's a lot of rain.
Another fucking tornado.
The tornado? What the hell? Wait, no, it's a tornado! Oh, why? What the hell? What the hell? Oh my God, what the hell? Ah! Why? Oh my God! No! No! Oh my God! Oh my God, that hurt! Oh my God! That was oh my God, I'm ending